customers first. We go the extra mile, and we understand that when people get into a collision or an accident, they don't know the whole process. So we do our best to explain it to them, and we guide our customer through every step of that process.
For us, it's very important. Customer calls. We don't just say, we'll schedule you for Monday or sometime next week, but we rather have the customer come in.
As soon as a customer brings a car in, we want them to leave happy knowing that their car will be ready in the next few days.
We like to take care of our customers regardless of whether it's only a bulb that it burned out and you need it replaced, to whether the vehicle needs to be towed in, whether it's body work and paint or something else that you may have a concern with. And it doesn't matter how big or how small the repairs are, we want to make sure that we take care of our customers. Now what we do is we make sure that everything is sanitized. Cars are covered, disinfected, and everything, even from taking the key from the customer, making sure everything is wiped clean to the time when we deliver the car. Everything is sanitized, disinfected, and even the key itself before we hand it to the customer, just making sure that everybody is safe.